Happy Tuesday, everyone. I haven't pressed assign on this yet. That's why it looks different on your side. But today's assignment is we're going to be refreshing our brains on how to add and subtract fractions and decimals, but we put negatives with it. So at the very beginning of my instructional video is just going through the basic things on adding and subtracting fractions. Remember, this is review. Do not freak out, okay? I know fractions and adding them and getting a common denominator is probably one of the first things that you did in fifth grade in elementary school that you had to do multiple steps for, and it kind of freaked you out. So the thing with me teaching this video is you can pause it, you can rewind it. I have intentionally put pauses in there for you to have to stop for a second and think of what the next step's going to be. These are your notes on adding and subtracting fractions and on decimals. So right here, you're going to need to keep this Google Doc open while I'm going through the video. This Google Doc will look like this. So it's the questions I'm going over, and then you write them on your paper, just like we do in your warm-up and other things. And then the decimal ones are down here as well. We didn't make it to the very end, but what we're going to do in class today on the video is not made to the very end. But what I don't do in the video, you do as practice on your own. At the end of the day, I will post the answer key so you can check your work, but I will not post it till the end of the day, so that way you can check your work. Remember, you're owning your own learning. You're at home doing this by yourself, so you need to try it on your own and then check the answers. Like I said, you have the Edpuzzle video, which I think I literally made it as long as I could, just doing different examples and trying to get that to the best of your understanding. I will be up teaching my students in class the same thing today, so I will have my chat on, but I may not be as quick to answer because I'm up teaching them too. So if you need to email me or chat me, that's fine. We'll try to make sure you understand this best of your ability. It's the same rules for adding and subtracting negatives. You just are putting it with decimals and with fractions. Okay? So again, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Make sure you follow the directions, complete your warm-up, then do the Edpuzzle video with the document, and then finish the rest of the problems we don't do in the video. Okay? I hope you have a great day.